Hey, welcome to the video. So Auxbeam asked me if I wanted to review their new GX series LED car light bulbs. And I said yes please, because my current light bulbs might as well be candles. So let's take a look at these. First off, they're really well built. They're very solid feeling. You see a little low profile fan in there. Comes with the CANBUS adapters and the plug. Ready to go. These are made of 6063 aluminum. They have a waterproof rating of IP68. The color temperature is 6500 K. The color is natural white. They are 120 watts and 25,000 lumens per set. Each bulb has 6 LED chips. They are the 7035 CSP chips, which are 75mm larger than typical LED bulbs. And that makes these 650% brighter than typical halogen bulbs. These have an estimated life of 50,000 hours. The current draw is 4.5 amps plus or minus 0.2 amp. And the operating voltage is 9 to 13 volts. Just a note, these will plug and play into about 99% of vehicles. Some vehicles might require a further CAN bus that will allow these to work. When you buy these, you just need to match the socket to your car. My car has H11 sockets, so they sent me H11 bulbs. So I'm going to install these and we're going to test these out tonight. I'll do a comparison with my old stock light bulbs. Auxbeam also sent some of their Z3 light bulbs, which are specifically designed for fog lights. And these come in yellow and white. So I chose the yellow ones because, you know, I'm going for that look. So it's typically pretty easy to replace headlight bulbs. I just had to remove this piece. Now I can reach in here, take off the dust boot, twist out the old bulb, unplug the old bulb. You're gonna have to use 2 hands to unplug it. There's the old bulb, new one. Get it in there, line it up, and twist it in, and then plug it in. One thing about installing LEDs is that polarity matters. So if you plug it in and it doesn't come on, you need to unplug it and flip the plug around and plug it back in. So for these lights with the fans on them, I'm going to leave the dust boot off so that they can ventilate. I'll do the same general thing for the other side and the fog lights, and we'll test it out once it gets darker. Here's a daytime comparison between the Auxbeam lights and the original lights. You can see how much brighter that Auxbeam light is, even in the daytime. And here's a daytime shot of all Auxbeam. Gives a nicer look to an otherwise standard car. Here are the stock H11 LL bulbs on a 2010 Ford Fusion. Here are the Auxbeam GX LED bulbs. Just a note, I only changed the low beam bulbs. I didn't need to change the high beams because those are bright enough. You could change the high beams if you want them even brighter. Here are the high beams. Just so you know I'm not lying. Here are the stock fog lights. Here are the Z3 Foglights. Sorry, I had to put the camera sideways. I have the microphone on top of the camera and it hits the roof when I try to go up. I'm using the same camera settings as I used for the stock bulbs. I have the camera in manual mode and I have it set so it looks as close to reality as seen through my eyes. I've been driving with these for about 2 weeks and it's so much better. Other headlights from other cars don't drown out my headlights anymore. And that was my goal with upgrading the lights. If you want to grab some of these bulbs for yourself, I'll have links in the description. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. By the way, these GX bulbs have a 2-year warranty.